a clause, not a straight,
Yeah.
you know, it's bent. Okay?
Yeah.
That's how it's designed. But the fridge itself was still backed up against the plug. Okay, but if you watch, I'm not moving the cord, but I'm pushing on the, you know, kind of manipulating the plug in the outlet.
Yeah.
And that's when it goes out. If I
Okay.
manipulate the cord, this is me manipulating it. Well, let's see if I can hold that. I'm less suspicious of the power cord than I am of the outlet itself.
Okay.
Because that's so when I manipulated the cord or the plug in the outlet.
Yeah.
So just me twisting it kind of in the outlet itself.
Yeah.
I think that's our issue.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it's this for me, anyway, for you. I'm just going to charge you my house call, and I'm going to recommend replacing that outlet with a new outlet. Do not use a GFI outlet. Use a regular grounded outlet.
Yeah, right,
Okay. Even though it's, I don't know, that's technically 3 feet within the sink.
Yes.
But refrigerators and GFI outlets don't mesh well because of how a GFI outlet works. It detects a fault to the ground by basically if there's any voltage loss between the line side and the neutral side, the GFI will be tripped. And in an older refrigerator, the compressor can leak. It's microvoltage, but the term is it can leak voltage, and that can trip the GFI outlet. So just get a normal grounded outlet and replace that. If you should still have an issue, the house call you're paying today will be applied toward any repair, likely of the power cord assembly. It's not this.
Okay.
I was thinking, why would it be happening when the doors are open? And I thought, because it's open, it's leading up, you know, there's wobbling. And it's probably that wobbling that's causing an issue. That's why I thought, let's check the outlet, see if or plug. That's why I thought maybe the plug. But yeah, I would see, let's check the outlet for, replace the outlet. And if you still have any issues after you change the outlet, then give me a call.
Okay.
All right?
It's all right.
I'm going to leave it obviously away from the wall a little bit.
Yeah.
So this won't happen, and your fridge will start to cool. I didn't even check the temperatures here. Of course, this is kind of warm because I had the doors open, so we're 50 plus in here, and we're 20, 25 in here. So once it starts running, it'll probably be down to 0 in here, probably about an hour or two. This will take a good 6 to 8 hours to keep this door closed as much as possible for that period of time. And then, yeah, as much as I'd like to charge you for a repair, this is not the problem. So,
All right.
still
Good.
I'm going to turn it on because I didn't want to mess with the the cord is, or I think actually the outlet that the fridge is plugged into is kind of loose because I was manipulating the plug in the outlet, and that's when it was starting to flicker. So it's nothing to do with the refrigerator at all. Like I told your husband, if there is still an issue, give me a call. I won't charge you for a second visit, and any repair that's required, this house will be applied toward that repair.
Okay.
But I don't think you'll have to.
Yeah.
Here, you can fill it out.
Yeah, I will.
bit to get going because of the power. It should, that's one of the features, if you will, not a bug, features of that adaptive defrost control that I thought I was going to have to replace. Is when power is restored, it automatically goes, even though it doesn't need to, it automatically goes into a defrost cycle,
Okay.
which is what it's doing right now.
Yeah.
And when it's defrosting, nothing runs.
Yeah. Everything goes wrong all at once.
That's how it goes, right? When it rains, it pours.
I got a leak in the dishwasher. It's popped my floor.
Oh.
Refrigerator went
For
out.
my 4 guys, what may help, in fact, may require not needing a floor replacement, is just get a fan.
Mhm.
Better the fan, and just blow it at the floor
Mhm.
for a week or 2.
Yeah.
Just get that moisture out. Once that moisture gets out, it will slowly not buckle,
Mhm.
and it should, in theory, get to restore, to normal. Again, according to my 4 guys. So it depends probably on how much water you had and for how long.
Yeah.